Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
No, Phil is not drugged. Phil loves the cameras. He thinks he's performing, Dealey responded. In the clip above, Oprah learned more about Phil and how his newfound fame was impacting his small town of Punxsutawney.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The Gobbler's Knob Visitor Center houses many historical and rare Groundhog Club, Groundhog Day, and Punxsutawney Phil items. A must-see location and free to the public. For hours of operation, visit www.groundhog.org.
Take our lead.
When Phil predicted a short winter, he was much more likely to be right, Roche previously told Live Science. Out of the 15 times that he didn't see his shadow and predicted an early spring, he got it right 7 times. That's a 47% accuracy rate, he said at the time.
Take our lead.
According to USA Today, Punxsutawney Phil has been right 14 times and wrong 18 times since 1988. In other words, in only 14 of the last 32 years did the national average temperature for the remainder of February match what would be expected based on what the groundhog predicted. Phil was wrong last year.
Take our lead.
Groundhog Zoo. America's foremost weather forecasting groundhog, a superstar in meteorological circles, officially works one day a year, February 2nd. The other 364 days he spends in Phil's burrow, previously called Groundhog Zoo, a warm terrarium built into the Punxsutawney Library.
Let's help you make your mark.
134 years. According to the official Punxsutawney Groundhog Club, established 1887, there has only been one Punxsutawney Phil. All others are imposters. This makes Phil, depending on exactly when his birthday lies, 134 years of age.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The Town Library. Punxsutawney Phil lives in the Town Library. When Phil is not busy predicting the weather at Gobbler's Knob, a rural area about 2 miles outside of Punxsutawney proper, he lives in the Town Library.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.